Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Ziraat Bank Card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. Ziraat Bank does not support Apple Pay, but only in certain countries like Azerbaijan, not everywhere. For example, Ziraat Bank customers in supported regions can add their card and pay using Apple Pay. However, in countries like Turkey, Apple Pay is still not officially available, so you won't be able to add your card. Now, if your country supports Apple Pay, this is the correct method of adding it. You just have to first of all open your Ziraat Bank application. Then when you go to the cards section, you are going to see your cards available inside the Ziraat Bank mobile app. When you tap on your card, underneath it, you are going to see the option of add to Apple Pay. So when you tap on that option, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions. You need to confirm the card integration with SMS or app verification. And this way, your Ziraat card will be appear in your Apple Wallet in no time. Now, if you don't see the add to Apple Wallet option in your application, it simply means that it is basically limited or it has limited access in your region. So you can check your Apple ID region, then you can confirm your country supports Apple Pay. Make sure that your card is eligible. You can also try updating your iOS application, and you can also update your Ziraat Bank app. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.